Assalamualaikum everybody. Now I'm gonna tell you how to make a beautiful butterfly. Now, first we have to take pencil, razor, scissor and glue stick. Now, you also need colors and permanent marker. Now, take two papers. One should be small and one should be big. See? Now, you have to draw a small butterfly, not too much small, just like the size of paper. Now, the big size paper should be the big size butterfly. Now, we have to draw it. We have to draw a butterfly. Now, my drawing, the small paper is done. Now, let's draw the big paper. Big paper. Now, I'm cutting the big paper first. You should take the scissor and cut the butterfly. Now, I have cut both of the butterflies. Now, I'm gonna color the butterflies. Beautiful colors. Which color should I take? I'll take the red color. Of the both butterflies. Sorry, I forgot you to say you have to also trace the sides from the black marker. Now, take a glue stick and paste it over on the big butterfly. On the small butterfly, it should be on the big butterfly. So I have done the butterfly. Now it's looking so beautiful. Look. Pretty, I don't know. But I'm thinking it will be pretty. Now I have made the same butterfly but the colors are different. See? And the big one and the red one that I have made. See, they are looking so pretty. If